Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So how can you make the Hollywood motion picture system work for you to sell your experimental films? Well, first you need investors, and as many as you can get. You draw up a draft plan of how much money they can invest, or they're simply going to invest what they wish. Take whatever which way you can get, of course. Then you're going to need marketing, such as ball caps, t-shirts, and today face masks to sell, promotions, and that type of marketing. These investors also need tax write-offs, and other people who invest will need tax write-offs in their businesses, their personal businesses. And you need money for your funding for your film. So it's a win for them, and it's a win for you. The only downside to it is you'll have to agree to their terms of what's going to sell for this film. In other words, they may have select independent talent per se to boost the sale of the film when the public sees that name on the bill. That way, this will ensure a bigger return payment for the investors. All right? So do keep this in mind and look forward to a second installation of this series. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Join Avant-Garde Films Philippines. Join the Morbid Team Entertainment Barter Buy and Sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.